Pizza Swap, the first DeFi platform on Pi Network, is about to launch. Get ready to swap tokens, provide liquidity, and earn rewards right on Pi. Just a few days left. DeFi on Pi is coming. Countdown to a new era. Pizza Swap arrives on Pi. A significant moment is on the horizon for the Pi Network community. We are just days away from a major milestone. The very first decentralized finance, or DeFi, platform is preparing to launch on Pi. It is called Pizza Swap. This is a huge development for everyone in the Pi ecosystem. It promises to unlock new ways to use your Pi coins. The air is filled with anticipation and excitement. The final countdown has officially begun. Now is the time to prepare yourself for what is coming. DeFi can seem complex, but this launch aims to make it simple and accessible. This guide will be your friendly companion. It is designed for beginners. We will break down everything in simple terms. Short sentences, clear explanations. You will learn what Pi Network is. You will understand what Pizza Swap does. We will walk you through swapping tokens. We will explain how to provide liquidity. You will learn how to earn rewards. Most importantly, how to do all of this safely. Get ready. Section 2. Understanding the foundation. What is Pi Network? Before we dive into Pizza Swap, we must understand the ground it is built on. Pi Network is a unique cryptocurrency project. Its goal is to make digital currency accessible to everyday people. To put the power of a blockchain in your pocket, you can mine Pi coins directly from your phone. No expensive, power-hungry computers required. You just need the Pi Network app. This approach has attracted millions worldwide, creating a massive, diverse community. Founded by a team of Stanford graduates, they saw issues with early cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Mining had become too difficult and costly. Pi Network was designed to solve this. It uses a lightweight consensus algorithm that does not drain your battery. Open the app once a day and tap to prove you are human, helping secure the network, and you earn Pi. Pi has developed in phases: enclosed network, growth, security, and building applications. The next step, transition to an open mainnet, connecting Pi to the outside world. Pi can be traded and used more freely. Pizza Swap is a critical piece of this puzzle. A DeFi launch signals a maturing network and real utility for accumulated Pi. Instead of only holding, you can trade them for other tokens and earn rewards. This is what the community has been waiting for. The beginning of a true economy on Pi. That's the base. Section 3. Why Pizza Swap is a big deal for Pi. This is not just another app launch. It is pivotal for the entire Pi network. It is about more than swapping tokens. It is the birth of Pi's DeFi ecosystem. A new world of financial possibilities is opening up. The first full-featured decentralized exchange is going live on the network. It gives pioneers a powerful reason to engage with their coins. DEX are the heart of a healthy blockchain. They provide liquidity and enable price discovery. They let new projects launch tokens and gain users. Without a DEX, a blockchain is like a country without a financial market. Pizza Swap becomes that market for Pi. Seamless trading between Pi and tokens built on the Pi chain creates a vibrant economy. More ways to use assets can grow network value, attracting users, developers, and innovation. Your mined Pi no longer just sits. You can use it, swap it, or provide liquidity for fees. This turns you into an active participant in the Pi economy. More trading, more fees, more liquidity, easier trading. The launch signals Pi is ready for development, lending, games, social apps using Pi. Pizza Swap is the cornerstone. Its success can trigger a wave of new projects. This is why the launch is so important. It unlocks the network's future potential. It is a big step. Trade assets. Participate in liquidity pools. Earn passive income. The clock is ticking to this historic launch. Getting involved early can have advantages, but it also carries risks. Knowledge is your most powerful tool. Understand the basics before you act. Read carefully. Absorb key ideas. Think through your strategy. Introducing PizzaSwap, your gateway to DeFi. PizzaSwap is a decentralized exchange, a DEX. Think of it as an automated peer-to-peer marketplace for digital tokens. Trade one token for another directly from your own wallet. No central authority controls trades, no new accounts, no ID, no third-party deposits. Smart contracts on the Pi blockchain execute trades automatically. The name nods to the first real-world Bitcoin purchase, 2 pizzas. PizzaSwap aims to be foundational to Pi's economy. User-friendly by design, connect your Pi wallet and start in a few clicks. DeFi for the masses. It uses an automated market maker model, liquidity pools instead of matching buyers and sellers. Swap PI for Pi token by trading with the pool. You deposit PI, the contract returns Pi token. Fast and efficient, no waiting for a counterparty. Price is set by a formula using token ratios. Demand up, price up, demand down, price down. This AMM engine powers the first DeFi experience on Pi. So yeah, that's PizzaSwap. Navigate to PizzaSwap via Pi browser, then connect your Pi wallet securely. Permissions, not private keys. Choose tokens and amount. The UI shows what you will receive. Review exchange rate, price impact, and the small network fee paid to liquidity providers. Tap swap, then confirm in your wallet. No trade happens without your explicit approval. In seconds, Pi leaves your wallet and the new tokens arrive. It is that simple. No centralized entity holds your funds. It is a peer-to-contract exchange managed by transparent code. This instant, free market swapping is a DeFi cornerstone, now brought to millions of Pi users. Yeah, that's basically it. Beyond swapping, you can become a liquidity provider. Provide 2 tokens of equal value to a pool, like PIP. Deposit 1 PI and 100 PI, or 0.5 PI and 50 PI. Values must match at deposit time. You lend assets so others can trade. The exchange depends on your liquidity. You receive LP tokens representing your share, hold them, or later redeem them to withdraw your portion. Every swap pays a small fee to the pool. As fees accrue, your LP share grows in value. Some platforms add bonus rewards, yield farming, on top of fees. PizzaSwap may offer a rewards program with a governance or native token. To earn, you typically stake your LP tokens, locking them in a farm contract. Rewards are often paid block by block. Watch earnings in real time. Dual earning, fees plus farming, can boost your APY. Read program rules. Sometimes you must claim rewards. Sometimes they auto-compound. Token prices can rise or fall. While exciting, approach with caution. Impermanent loss occurs when token prices change after you deposit. You might withdraw less than holding. Smart contract risk exists. Even audited code can have bugs that hackers exploit. Beware copycat tokens and rug pulls. Verify before you allocate funds. Start small. Use official links via Pi browser. Never share your private keys or 24-word passphrase. Do your own research and verify contract addresses. The launch is days away. The countdown is on. Install and update the official Pi Network app and Pi browser. Secure your wallet. Write your 24 words and store them safely. Only you access them. Learn token names and tickers. Set a small starter budget you can afford to lose. Follow official PizzaSwap and Pi channels for the launch link, time, and guides. Ignore unverified links. When live, take a breath. Explore the interface. Try a tiny swap. If providing liquidity, start minimal. Observe performance and community feedback. PizzaSwap is your ticket to participate. Prepare, stay safe, and get ready to experience decentralized finance on Pi. The future of Pi is now.